Hi guys, this is an unboxing video of Mini 4K Wi-Fi door dashcam. I will show you some features of it. The resolution of front camera is 4K, rear camera is 1080p. This one built-in Wi-Fi, you can check footage videos on your phone easily. It also has many other features, you can check them while using it. There is an app QR code. You can scan the QR code to download the app or directly download app in App Store or Google Play. This site have email QR code and dashcam operation videos QR code. Scan the QR code to watching videos or contact us when you have any questions about dashcam. Let's open the package. Please check the 4K front camera, which can record outside of the car, and this dashcam using Type-C port to supply power. When you got it, you will find there is an 64GB SD card inserted in the dashcam, which means you can use it directly. One tips: please press power button to format the SD card at the first time. Use the sticker mount to hold on this dashcam of the car windshield. Please tear off the red film when you install it. The design of the 3M sticker is based on left in the car, but the camera can be removed. Go ahead. This one is 1080p waterproof rear camera. And here is the dashcam's car charger. Put this part to your car secret lighter socket, then plug it to dashcam. Is the actual 3M sticker. You can change the sticker when the old one is useless. This is the car tool. It is to help you insert the memory card to dashcam slot or pocket out. About the crossbar, you can use it to hide the wire in your car. These are electrostatic stickers. Apply it to the spot you'd like to mount the camera, making sure there are no bubbles. Finally, we take a look at the user manual and the customer service information card. Please read the user manual before using the dashcam. There are some operation videos on our YouTube channel. You can scan the QR code to check how to set up the dashcam. Here are some contact information. You can contact us when you have any issues on the dashcam. We will do our best to help you solve these issues. For other language menu, please check the content for the corresponding page or check the color bar at the edge of the page.